Hi, I'm Joe Hooven with Fretz RV. We're going to take a look at a Winnebago 2306 BHS today. This is actually the Flex, and we're going to take a look at that. The Flex is the lithium powered trailer that Winnebago has come out with. It has 320 amps of power, two 190 watt solar panels on the roof. So it's actually a pretty cool trailer. You have a full-size awning, almost the whole side of the trailer. Speakers outside mounted up top, and your tires are all-terrain rugged tires with aluminum wheels, and underneath they have aluminum to protect up and all around, to protect from any rocks that might throw up and go into the floor. So that's going to help you because you're not going to get all kinds of holes and things poking through and water coming through. You got your two electric power stabilizer jacks, got a backer location here. This is your flush tank that we have right here. So when after you empty out your waste tanks, you can go right here, flush it out, clean it up a little bit better. You have another satellite connector here or cable. We have more electric here and another backer location. If you want to put a TV up here, you can. And here's a spray port for an outdoor shower. We have that up front. I'll show you that. Outdoor water or a portable water tank will go right here. And then here's our Truma hot water heater. This is right here. This is, we have our switches here on and off. So we have to be on for it to work inside. But right now it's on the off position, but I'll put it on because we're going to turn it on inside. Pretty simple, great. It's actually a great system by Truma. One of these, having the Truma systems in here, you have the air conditioning, everything by Truma. What's really cool about this, it's like having a B-class van without the motor and without the transmission. And the other thing down here is we have our quick release for our grill. So if you want to cook out and you bring your grill along, you plug it in right there. We have our power jacks inside our storage container compartment here. It's a pass through all the way through. And then up here we have our solar. So your solar is coming in from your 190 watt solar panels up top. It's going through here and it's going into your battery and storing into your battery. As we walk around, you have your power jack. You have your two LP tanks. And if we come over on this side, what's really cool, I can show you. This is where your lithium battery is stored. It's up front, and it's right in here. This blue dot that's blinking is letting me know that it's on. And this is my power switch here. So if I click this down, it's off. If I click it up, it's on, and everything will work inside. But one of the really cool things that I like is that you can actually get an app for this. It's going to tell us what we got on the battery right now. So it tells us our percentage, it tells us the voltage, the battery temperature. So it's really cool, and you can monitor this all the time. If we walk around the back this way, right here we have our exhaust for our Truma heater, and we have a door to get into the side to where the bunks are. And one of the cool things about these bunks is you can store stuff in here because the bunks pop up. So we can lift that up, and we have a latch right there that will hold it up. So if you want to store bikes or bigger things in here, you can. So that's easy to bring back down. Oops. For some people. There we go. And right next to this doors you have your satellite and your cable. So if you're at your campground, you hook your cable up right here. You have your power. That's going to go here. That's going to go from the campsite to plug you in if you're using it. Well, again, with these, because of lithium, some people like to use these and go off grid with them. And this is for your shore water. So you can plug your water in here, and you have your water right into the system. So one of the other cool things about this, with the lithium battery powers on this, you could actually go for like 5 days off the grid as long as you monitor and use your power properly. You can get off 5 days, maybe a little bit more if you're really good at it. So, and on the back, you have your ladder, we have the spare tire, and our outdoor shower. This outdoor shower has the hot and cold. Put it right up here. You have this down. You can set your shower up. Great for the kids, dogs, whatever you want to use. even yourself if you're dirty enough. So if we go around the front, we'll go inside and take a look at inside. So come on in. This one is the Murphy bed with the bunks. And what's great about this is it gives you a lot more room for more people. And this is so easy to set up. The Murphy bed is just a jackknife sofa. Just grab the Murphy bed, pull it down, and voila. It's really, really easy. Nothing to it. And what's nice about this is the way it's supposed to be used when you're traveling. And the other nice thing about this is when you have the slide in, you can still use the Murphy bed. So it's one of the things that's unique about this. You can't do that in a lot of other trailers. Dinette. This also comes with a sofa option, but this with the dinette, a lot of people get this. It's very comfortable, and this table goes right down. It's real easy. I can put it down, but if I get it all the way, I just take the cushions out and I get the table nice and flat. And then when you're done, just pops right back up. We'll click the latch right over. And in the kitchen's awesome. I mean, look at the size of the sink you get here. Huge stainless steel sink, 3 burners. A lot of these trailers will only get you 2, but you'll have 3 burners in this one, all gas powered. There is no oven, so because it doesn't have an oven, you're going to get big drawers so you can store your pots and pans. You're going to get other drawers all throughout. So the amount of storage that you have in this is a lot more than you think. You have your convection microwave. Because you don't have the oven, convection microwaves are great to have. And then you have your 10.3 cubic foot 12 volt refrigerator. So it's awesome, runs on your electric. And in the back, we have the bathroom. I don't know if you can see it here or not, but you have an adult size sink, nice shower, full size. And the other thing that this has is has a shower miser. Because of the Truma system and the hot water, how it all works, you're not going to waste any of your hot water from your holding tank if you're using your holding tank, because when you turn this on, that little blue thing on there will turn white, and when it turns white, that means that your water's hot and you can use it instead of running the water until it gets hot. So you're conserving water at the same time. So, and then you have your flush tank, toilet. You have storage up top, a lot of storage here. So there's lots of places to put stuff. You have a hook up here. You have a vented fan up top here. Turn that right on. And everything right now I'm just doing because we're on the lithium battery. So it's all, we can run our air conditioner, which is a Truma Aventa air conditioner. Very quiet, great air conditioner. It's a first for the Winnebago and a lot of other travel trailers having the Truma inside. It's quiet, and you can run it. You can run your Truma heating system and water from this one panel along with your air conditioner. It's very easy. We just turn it on, and in the back we have our bunk beds, and they're a little bit hard to see, but 2 people, one on the bottom, one on the top. You got a window up here. You got the door out there. And you can still get to storage underneath when you have, you can still leave stuff underneath from the door that you have from the outside. So you got lots of room, lots of access to a lot of stuff. It's very roomy. It's a little bit bigger. It's a 25 foot trailer, a little bit over 25 foot. So you can do a lot in this. It's light enough that when you're traveling, you can pull it. It's about 4,700 pounds. So most trucks can pull this trailer. You also have a stereo here that's up here on the top, along with your TV. And also you have a charger for your phone. So just automatically when you're plugged in or when you have the lithium battery going, put your phone on there and it'll charge up for you. So storage there. But all in all, the 2306 is an awesome trailer by Winnebago. You got to come out and see it. If you have any more questions, about the lithionics on these, please give me a call. I think it's an awesome product and I think you'd be really surprised with it.